If you're shopping for a website builder right now and comparing Wix or Squarespace or WordPress and trying to figure out which plan works out for you, just wait a second. Because before you pull out your credit card, just give me a few minutes, just next few minutes, I'm going to show you something that might or completely change your decision and what you're going to do. Let's talk about what's actually out there for you with website builders. So if you take Wix, their plan starts at $17 per month. Sounds okay, right? But that's just for the website. Limited storage, Wix branding on your site, and if you want to actually sell something, you need their core plan at around $29 per month. And if you come to Squarespace, they have clean templates. Everyone loves how they look. $16 per month for their basic plan. But if you want e-commerce, that jumps to $28 per month, and their analytics are pretty basic unless you upgrade to the next plan. And if you take WordPress with hosting, you are paying for $20 to $50 for hosting every month, and then you need premium themes on top of that, which will cost you around $500 to $1,000 USD per month, or sorry, one time. And everything honestly will be overwhelming considering the plugins and all that stuff. And if you go to Shopify and if you want to sell products, basic plan starts at $39 per month, and for every transaction they'll take a cut as well. So here's the real problem, though. This is what nobody tells you upfront. A website builder alone is never enough, never ever, for running your business. You can launch your site, great, but you need email marketing to follow up with visitors. That's another cost for email marketing tools. And you will need a way to capture leads properly, like you need CRM, so that's another cost. And again, you want appointment bookings or something like that, so you will want something like Calendly or similar tool. And you want to do SMS marketing, that's another tool, another subscription. So before you know it, your budget friendly website plan is actually costing you a lot across multiple platforms, and you are logging into 5 different dashboards just to run your business. So here's the question: what if you didn't have to do any of that? What if there was one platform, just a single platform that does all of this? Website, email, SMS, booking, CRM, everything you need for a business, and you can try it out for free, for completely free, for 30 days. So that's what I'm going to show you now. It's called Go High Level, and I'm going to take you inside the actual platform so you can see exactly what it does. So this isn't just theory. I'm going to show you the real interface, the real features, everything inside it. So now, Go High Level wasn't originally built as a website builder, so you need to know this. It was built for agencies and real businesses who need a complete system to run everything for their business, and that's exactly why it works so well. So let me show you how it works. So let's get into it. So once you are inside your account, just go to your sub account, and then here you will see a lot of different things for handling your business, like calendars, everything. So first is the website builder itself. So let's see that. You can see here sites. So let me click on it, and here you can see funnels, websites, everything. So let's go to websites, and I can simply click on add new website, and you can see here there are different options, like you can build from scratch, and you can also use a template here. So there are templates for a lot of different business categories here. So you can just go through this and pick any template that you want according to your needs. So just pick one, and you can just customize it later. So every element on this page is now very easy to edit. So you can see here, you can simply click here and just do the text editing. And if you want to add elements, you can then see the plus icon here. So if you just click on that, you can see the different things like sections, rows, elements like headline, sub headline, bullet list. So whatever you want, you can simply drag and drop here. It's very simple. You can edit from here, and regarding this particular section, you will see all the settings which will be available here in the right side. So you can edit whatever you want. You can add whatever you want, like images, text, forms, anything that you need will be available here. And there are some pre-built section as well, so you can use that straight away for speeding up your website building process. So all you need to do is just select the element and drag and drop, just like how you will do in other website builders like WordPress tools or Wix or Squarespace. So it's very similar. And best thing about Go High Level is it's already mobile responsive. So do you see here the mobile mode? So if you just click on it, you can see here it's already mobile optimized, so you don't have to do anything fancy here. So use it as it is without working separately for mobile views. So this thing just works. And let me show you one good thing. So here I can easily add a form. So if you are using other website builders, adding a form is a big thing. You need a form plugin or tool separately for that. So here you can see I can just pull in the form like this. So now you'll see here form picker. So you can click here and pick your form. So now if you might be wondering, so how do these appear here? So for that we can just go back and we can create a form. So let me show you that in a second. So let me just select the option here. So first, so you can see here it's very simple to add a form. Now let me just save this and I'll show you how to create a form. So I can just go back to the sites and here you can see forms. Under forms you can see builder. So if you just click on that, you can see add form. So you can simply click here. Again, you can start from scratch, or you can pick a template. There are different templates available here. So you can just click on choose template and it will be automatically added. So you can edit whatever you want in the form, like whatever sections that you want, you can just keep it. And if you don't want something, you can simply click on delete. So it's very simple to add a form, but here is where it gets different from regular website builders. You can see the forms here. So if I add this form inside the website, every submission that comes, all the information goes directly into the built-in CRM. I don't need a separate tool. It's right here in the same platform. So let me show you the CRM now. So if we just go to contacts, so this is where everyone lands. Every person who fills that form on your website, every lead, every customer, they'll all be here. You can see their entire history. So let me show you that. So if I just click on the details, so we can see the entire details here, like when they visited your site, which pages they looked at, every email you send them, every SMS, every call, it's all tracked automatically. And you can also organize them. You can organize them by stages, by tags as well. So you can see here tags, so you can use that, or by whatever that makes sense for your business. So no more Salesforce subscription or HubSpot fees is needed. So it's built in right here in this same platform. And now for email marketing, you can just see here marketing. So you can go there, and you can also connect your social media accounts. You can use the scheduler here, or social media planner. So that's also possible with gohighlevel. So if we just go to emails, so you can see here create campaign. If I just click on that, I'm going to see here different options. So same, you can create from blank templates. So whatever you want, you can choose. So there are a ton of templates here. You can pick anything that is going to be useful for your business. You can simply add it here. If you want, you can also build from scratch, but it's going to be super easy if you use the template. So from here you can just drag and drop the elements that you want. So if you just want to add a text, you can add it like this, or if you want to add an image, so you can add it like this. So anything that you want, you can do that using the drag and drop editor here. Add images, buttons, whatever stuff you need, you can do that. And you can send it to your entire list. If you just click on send, you are going to give some details here about yourself, like the sender email and all the other stuff. And you can see here the recipient. So you can select, like if you have any particular list, you can also use that here. So it's super simple to do email marketing with this tool. And now if I just go to contacts, I can show you how to do SMS marketing as well. So let me show you that. So this is what you need to do for email marketing. For SMS marketing, all you need to do is just go to contacts, your CRM again, and you can pick any contact here. So let's pick this one. And if you just click on more, you will see here send SMS. So if you just click on that, you can see here. So you can pick a template if you want. You just need to connect your number before that. So you can type in the message and you can hit on send SMS. So it's super simple. You can send the SMS immediately, or you can send it later or schedule it. You can also do it for WhatsApp as well. So both email, SMS, everything is at one place. You're not paying separately for MailChimp. You're not paying for some SMS gateway separately. And with the SMS email marketing, the main thing is deliverability. With gohighlevel, the deliverability is solid. These aren't going to spam folders. And next we are going to see something important, that is automation. So this one is a game changer here in gohighlevel. So you can see here workflow list. So this is where we build automated workflows. So you can simply click on create workflow and you will see here template options. So if you click on select from template, there are a lot of different templates like lead nurture, customer appointment, all those things are available for different purposes. You can see here send review requests, appointment confirmation and reminder, and all those FAQ auto reply stuff. So you can use this, it will work for you. You don't have to lift your finger with automation workflows. And I have done something simple here, like a automated client onboarding. So let me show you that. So you can see here pipeline stage will be changed, so that will be a trigger, and they'll they'll receive a welcome email, SMS, and then they'll receive another email. So this is how it works. It's a very simple thing. Let me create one from blank so that you will understand it better. So let me click on create workflow. Let me click on start from scratch. So basically the important things are trigger and action. So you just need to click on add new trigger, and you can see here like form submitted, whatever trigger you want, you can select from this list. You'll probably find everything that you want. So just to keep this simple, I'll just go with form submitted. So let's choose this, and here all I need to do is click on add filter and select which form it is. So let me click on the recent one which we created, the tailoring shop example. So if I just click on save trigger, so now the trigger is set. All I need to do is click on this plus icon and select the action. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send an email. So click on send email. So now I can fill in the details like from name, from email, subject, everything, and I can type in the mail here. So this is your message box, so you can add attachments as well. So you can set this once, and if you want you can also test it. So you can set this once, you can simply click on save action. It is going to work for you 24/7. You don't have to do anything. That's the best part with automations. You set it up once and it runs forever. You're sleeping, you're on vacation, doesn't matter. The system will be working for you. And the best part is you can continue it. So let's say you want to add something else. You want to also send them an SMS. So let's search for SMS. So you can click on send SMS. So that is also possible. And then if you want to add WhatsApp message, that is also possible. So you can do everything that you want. Most people need Zapier or Make or some other tool to connect different tools together. You don't need any of that here. It's all in one platform. So automation is built in and actually simple to set up, as you saw now. And next, if you want an automated appointment booking system, that is also possible with gohighlevel. So we just need to go to calendars and calendar settings. And here we just need to click on create new calendar, and given some details like what type of calendar that we want to create, and we just need to fill in some details, and then it will be easy to create a calendar. So I have an example here, so let me show you that. So let me just copy this and open it in a new link. So your customers can see your availability, and they can just pick in the time. They can just click on select, fill in the details, and click on schedule meeting. And the best part is you have an option to send automatic notifications, like when an appointment is confirmed, when it is cancelled, when it is rescheduled, reminders, follow-ups. So everything you can set it up for different areas like email, SMS, WhatsApp. So all the notifications, reminders, it's possible to set it everything in gohighlevel itself. And next, let's see the funnels and pipelines. So let's get back to the sites. So here you'll see funnels. If you want to build sales funnels, landing pages, checkout pages, order forms, upsell pages, you can build all that here. Complete funnel is possible. So let's see one example here. Let's click on new funnel. Let's click on templates. Let's choose one from the templates and just see how this will actually look. So let's go with this product launch template. So if I just click on choose template, it is going to be added. Best part is you have a lot of templates here, so you can just insert it and edit it in any way that you want. So probably this is the opt-in page, so let us just go back. We can edit the page how we want, just like website. So you can see here the funnel steps. So this is what I said, opt-in page, and there is an order page automatically added. So you can click on edit and edit this page, and there is upsell page, downsell page, thank you page. So you can add new step, or if you have it anywhere, you can also import that here. So that's all possible with gohighlevel. There is a pipeline view, very visual, very clear. You can see exactly where each lead is in your sales process as well. So for that, you can simply go to opportunities here, and you will see here pipeline. So you can click on create new pipeline. You can set whatever you want the pipeline name, and you can create different stages here. And in this opportunities area, you will see the leads, like new lead will be here. What are the different stages that will be up here. So you can change the pipeline from here. I just have one in this demo account, so you can change that, and here you will see the leads. You can just move around here, just drag and drop. So let me show you one. So let's click on create opportunity. So let's pick one contact. So let's say this is the contact, so let's just click on create. So let's say this is a new lead, so it will be here. So yeah, this is now here. You can see here under new lead. So you can drag and drop them between the stages. So you can just put on contract sign. So that is possible. So you can see this, everyone on your team can see this. So this is the kind of stuff that businesses pay a lot of money every month for similar tools. You can do all that stuff with GoHighlevel. And next, if we get into the payments, you can see here we can create invoices, recurring invoices, and we can create documents and get e-signature. That is also possible to do with, and you can integrate with other tools. And if you go to settings, you can handle everything that you need for e-commerce payment stuff. And if you go to integrations, you can connect with the payment provider that you want, like Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay, whatever it is, you can do that here. So payment is an important part in your business, so that is also sorted out. And the amazing thing is the AI agents. So you can create voice AI agent or conversation AI agent. You can also create content using AI, so that is also possible. So it's very easy to do that. So I just created voice AI as well here. So I have a separate tutorial on that, so I'll just drop the link to that video in the description, so you can also see that. So what this will basically do is it will answer all the questions on your behalf for your business. So you can add this as a chat widget as well inside your website, so that is also possible. And even for this you have agent templates, so if you want you can use that. And there is reputation management. So here you can connect your business profile, you can send review requests, collect it, you can connect multiple platforms as well, so you can manage all your review system at one place. And if you go to memberships, this is where you can create your own courses, communities, all that stuff. So that is also possible. And then you have separate reporting dashboard, so you can get complete reports here. And you do have ad manager as well. So if you just go to marketing, you can see here ad manager, so you can connect your Facebook account or LinkedIn, whatever it is, you can connect it and manage your ads as well. Of course, for some areas there are additional cost involved here, and for SMS and email marketing you are going to pay the amount as you go. So that's GoHighlevel. Everything I just showed you, like website, CRM, email, SMS, automation, bookings, funnels, AI agents, all in one platform, one login, one subscription. So now let's talk about the actual cost involved in this particular tool. So the basic plan is $97 per month, but you don't have to pay anything without trying it out. So I have given you a specific link in description through which you can get 30 days free access to GoHighlevel. So use it, so you can sign up and actually use it for 30 days completely free. So build a website, set up a workflow, try the email system, book an appointment to see how the calendar stuff works, and actually use all the features. And if after 30 days you think, now this isn't for me, you haven't lost anything, so you can just close it. But if you see the value, you can subscribe, and you'll probably end up canceling 4 to 5 other subscriptions that you are currently paying for, or you might be using it in future. The link is right in the description. 30 days completely free. And if you are running an agency and want to maintain all your client accounts as well at one place, you can get the unlimited plan at $297 per month. And here's a quick note: if all you want is a simple portfolio site or a blog with no business needs, this is probably a overkill, definitely. So stick with basic WordPress or Wix in that particular case. But if you're running a business like coaching, consulting services, e-commerce, online courses, local businesses, anything like where you need to capture leads, follow up, nurture relationships, and book appointment stuff or sell something, GoHighlevel is exactly what you need. That's the only platform that you need. And I'm not saying you have to switch immediately today. I'm saying you should at least test it before you commit to paying for a website builder plus all the other tools separately. So that's all. The 30-day free access link is in the description. Sign up, explore the platform, build something, and see if this works for your business. If you have any questions while testing it, drop them in the comments and I'll try to help out. And that's it. So for this video, If this has actually helped you, make a better decision, or if you found value, hit the like button and subscribe if you want more relevant content about tools that actually make your business much easier. So see you in the next one. Bye.